तो डॉक्टर ताने ये बताइए थोड़ा सा, जो इंटर्नशिप आप इंडिया में कर रहे हो एफएमजी के बाद में और आपने वहां भी किया था, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस क्या, हॉस्पिटल्स कैसे होते हैं वहां पर अगर हम कंपेयर करें इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से तो?
Actually, it was never India. It was never India for me. I had plans for Germany, and when I was in Georgia.
फॉरेन में आपको पता है कि 8 घंटे ही काम करना होता है, राइट? वेस्ट इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूएस, यूके। बट इंडिया में एज ए इंटर्न आई डोंट नो, मे बी 12 घंटे, 14 घंटे, मे बी 20 घंटे या 24 आवर्स सम टाइम।
I never studied proper theory for obs gynae. I saw all the videos of the academically, and after that I did questions with them.
सो हाउ यू नो, मतलब ये एग्जाम आपके अकॉर्डिंग बहुत टफ था या मीडियोकर एग्जाम आया आपके लिए? कैसे एग्जाम था, कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा? Hello everyone, welcome to you all once again. Today we have very special guest, Dr. Tanya, with us. She just passed AMC exam and she's a medical graduate. She's a very Indian student and she passed basically MBBS from Georgia. आपको पता है जॉर्जिया में एमडी होता है या एमबीबीएस होता है, तो बहुत सारी जगह पे कंफ्यूजन रहती है। जो एफएमजीज होते हैं कि कहीं 5 ईयर का डिग्री है, कहीं 6 ईयर का डिग्री है, इवन बहुत सारी जगह का डिग्रीज भी नॉट एक्सेप्टेड है, स्पेशली तो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज हैं, इधर जॉर्जिया का नहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग जॉर्जिया नहीं, बट जॉर्जिया इज इन द गुड कंट्रीज में आता है, उसका तो सारा डिग्री एक्सेप्टेड है। बट बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो डिग्री एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है। तो प्लीज इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एमबीबीएस, यू मस्ट चेक योर जो कॉलेज है और जो प्रोग्राम में आप जा रहे हो, यू मस्ट बी अप्रूव बाय डब्ल्यू डॉम्स की लिस्ट में होना चाहिए, तभी आप जाइए ना। तो तान्या से हम लोग बात करते हैं आज के उन्होंने कैसे पास किया एफएमजी। शी पास इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट and she also passed this AMC exam in the first attempt. So this is very very encouraging for many students are struggling. उनको लगता है यार बहुत ही टफ एग्जाम है AMC क्या। डॉक्टर तान्या, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताइए कि आपने कहाँ से मेडिसिन का पढ़ाई किया और कहाँ से आप?
Sir, I basically I started from Georgia European University, and there I studied like for 6 years, and then I was not I was not much into FMG, to be very honest. I always had plans to go out of India, but the thing was I gave FMG because of my parents. They were pretty much you have to have the one degree for India. So
यस यस। तो तान्या, आपने कौन सी ईयर में किया ये मेडिकल का, मतलब कौन सी ईयर में आप गए थे वहाँ जॉर्जिया में?
Sir, 2019.
अच्छा, तो हाउ द इज देयर एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अमंग द इंडियन स्टूडेंट? कैसा कल्चर था वहाँ पर, कैसे आपने सर्वाइव किया, कैसे रहता है आई मीन जॉर्जिया के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
सर, आई वुड टेल सर, फर्स्ट इनिशियली तो सर मेरे लिए काफी हार्ड था, बट इवेंचुअली आई मीन आई नेवर रिग्रेट माय डिसीजन, नेवर एवर, इवन फॉर वंस. And if I would have now, if someone asked me if I would have one thing, you'd have to choose one Indian college, or if you have to choose some Georgia or something, I would always go for Georgia, sir. I would not choose India. The reason being, sir, because I had exposure, lot of exposure, and sir, when I went to Georgia, I had this thing, sir. When I was a kid, basically, when I went to Georgia, but I grew up there to be like
मतलब
six.
ये कैसे कि आपने 12th तक अपने घर पे ही रखे किया, दिल्ली में रह के, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो बच्चा इतना ग्रो नहीं कर पाता है कि घर पर ही सारा पढ़ाई
Yes.
कर रहा है, पेरेंट्स है, माँ बाप है, राइट? भाई
Yes.
भाई है। Okay.
And because of that, I was able to dream big. Like I had now, there are vision here. It's like, I mean, I don't want Indian doctors to have this retrospective thing, but I just want this. I have this thing. If I would be in India, I would have this. Okay, fine. Everyone is in one race. NEET PG. After that, this. So
इंडिया में तो
if I,
रेस ही लगा पड़ा, पहले नीट किया, नीट में रेस थी 12th के बाद, राइट? एंड अगेन यहाँ पे नीट पीजी और एफएमजी का एक बहुत बड़ा रेस लगा हुआ है दिल्ली के अंदर, तो राइट?
yes, sir.
आपके ऐसे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स होंगे जिन्होंने क्लियर नहीं किया होगा एफएमजी, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, हाउ दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग बेसिकली, बिकॉज दिल्ली में तो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल है मेडिकल
Sir,
ग्रेजुएट।
the people I know of, surrounded me, sir, they cleared.
ओके,
Yeah,
so I can say your college is very good because उन्होंने पूरा फंडामेंटली आपको पढ़ाया, राइट?
yes, almost everyone cleared. Somebody they took some Gautam
यस यस,
Nagar.
गौतम नगर,
I
यू आर
am
राइट।
not aware. Yeah, that coachings, and but yeah, most of
That's
them they
very very
cleared
good,
FMG.
so this is also very important कि आप किस मेडिकल कॉलेज से आपने पढ़ाई किया है।
Yes, yes.
डॉक्टर तन्या के मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड ने क्लियर क्लियर, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं मे बी उनके कॉलेज में इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं हुआ उससे, राइट?
Yes, sir. Maybe. I mean, I'm not sure, but yeah.
बिकॉज हमारे पास तो इतने बच्चे आते हैं, इवन जो गवर्नमेंट के एनएमसी का डेटा है वहां पर 15-18%, 20% बच्चे ही पास करते हैं एफएफजी। 80% ऑलवेज फेल करते हैं, राइट? वो तो
Yes.
गवर्नमेंट का डेटा है पिछले 10 साल का। वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि भाई
Yes, sir. पासिंग रेशियो ही कम है काफी, इवन एफएमजी का भी। और जब मैं एएमसी, लाइक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय एएमसी जर्नी एज वेल, देयर आल्सो the passing ratio is not much, even for AMC 1, even for AMC clinical the passing ratio is not much.
यस यस, यू आर राइट। तो डॉक्टर ताने, ये बताइए थोड़ा सा, जो इंटर्नशिप आप इंडिया में कर रहे हो एफएमजी के बाद में, और आपने वहां भी किया था, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस क्या, हॉस्पिटल्स कैसे होते हैं वहां पर अगर हम कंपेयर करें इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से तो?
Sir, okay, like I don't know if I should be brutal honest or I should be like, I mean, there is one thing for sure. Outside they follow ethics like too much. Too
Yes.
much. Ethics is like for them a lot. In India, they're not, but I would not deny that. Firstly, I didn't want to do FMG, but after I cleared FMG and I did this like internship, I personally I learned a lot. Learned as in as a doctor, I felt I started considering myself as a doctor, because like until and unless you would not consider yourself, I don't think like anyone can. Yeah.
यस यस, यू आर राइट। तो आपने जब ये एनएमसी, आई मीन जो आपने ये एफएमजी पास किया, तो हाउ इज योर इंटर्नशिप? आप अभी कितना टाइम हो गया आपको इंटर्नशिप करते हुए इंडिया में, और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है इंडिया में?
Sir, it's about to finish. Like I took 1.5 month extension, so my that extension is left. That's it. In Jan, I will be done with
इंटर्नशिप
internship.
में कितने घंटे काम? बेसिकली लोग ये बोलते हैं कि एफएमजी को ज्यादा एक्सप्लॉइटेशन इंडिया के अंदर, उनसे ज्यादा काम कराते हैं और भाई पैसा भी नहीं दे रहे हैं एज कम्पेयर टू इंडियन ग्रेजुएट। तो while you are doing internship, is there any description? I mean,
Sir, actually, the thing is, while doing internship, like it was like the reason being I took extension was because of this reason, because it was very much hectic for me. And there's one more thing, like we are all medicos, okay? So there are everyone have this thing, like okay, fine. Like firstly, there are distractions. Okay, and secondly, you need an environment to study. Okay, fine. People surrounding you, if they are not studying, you will be also like, okay, fine. You also want to lag around or something like that.
Yeah.
But I also first had this, but I was like, no, no, I don't have time, because time is running, and like it's like I had this thing for sure that I wanted to complete my AMC 1 with an internship. Otherwise, again, I have to go for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Then again, I'll give exam. So I'll just went bluntly for this exam. Okay, fine. I just have to. I was like Josh mein I just went.
आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिसीजन यही होता है कि भाई आप एकदम से लग जाओ, 100% दो और एक बार में पास कर लो। बहुत सारे डॉक्टर क्या करते हैं, एनरोल करते हैं एकेडमिकली में, एंड दे टुक 9 मंथ, 12 मंथ, 6 मंथ टू राइट द एग्जाम।
Sir, even I was one of them. Trust me, I was also one of them. But I was like, I used to see the video. I saw all the videos of academically, like whatever lectures I went. Like I studied 2 times, so that was the good thing with me. That with an internship only, I started seeing the videos. So I did that. After that, I just did questions. I read guidelines. That was all it. Like the presentation. That was all it I did. So for me, I was also like, okay, fine. But it didn't hit me until it was like, okay, fine. Now my time is like internship is going to end. So if I won't like right now, then it would be late, and like everyone, like it's like you have this thing like, what if you'll be behind with everyone? So I have this thing like, okay, no, I have this time, because clinical will also take a lot of time.
So when you was doing your your medical degree, तो उस टाइम से आपका मन था बाहर जाने का, या आपका मन था इंडिया में आके एफएमजी करके यहाँ सेटल होने का? क्या ड्रीम था?
Actually, it was never India. It was never India for me. I had plans for Germany, and when I was in Georgia, I went for an exchange program to Prague. So I was like, okay, there I spent like a semester, and there it was like that time it was like a changing moment, because I had this thing like I had to go out, because I had very good exposure, like a very good exposure, and I saw like, okay, fine, this is how medical life is, that's how medical work is. So I had this thing, and that time like I went around like when I was in, I guess fifth semester, fifth or sixth semester, something like that. For 1 year, I was there, and I was like, okay, fine. No, this is what I want. So slowly, I started like making my goal clear. That's
तो मतलब 2-3 चीजें होती हैं बाहर जाने के लिए। लोग एक तो some like money और लाइफ स्टाइल, और भाई ये कैन से वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, लाइक फॉरेन में आपको पता है कि 8 घंटे ही काम करना होता है, राइट? वेदर इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूएस, यूके, बट इंडिया में एज ए इंटर्न आई डोंट नो, मे बी 12 घंटे, 14 घंटे, मे बी 20 घंटे या 24 आवर सम टाइम। तो ये मतलब ऐसा क्या है कि आपको बाहर जाने का वो था, मन था?
सर फर्स्टली लाइक जब हम लाइक आई मीन जब मैं 6 साल थी सर वहाँ पे, तो एक तो फर्स्टली दैट इम्पैक्टेड मी वाज लाइक वहाँ का लाइक लाइफस्टाइल, वहाँ की चीजें। बट द
Yes.
मेन थिंग लाइक आई मीन आई वुड ऑलवेज लाइक आई हैव दिस थिंग, आई वुड ऑलवेज बी अ प्रॉपर इंडियन. Like I would never have that, okay fine, I'd be advanced, I'd be westernized or what, something like that, nothing of that sort. But there's one thing for sure, like सर इंडिया में ना बहुत टॉक्सिसिटी सर, आई व्हेन आई अभी जब मैंने लाइक इंटर्नशिप करी, like unnecessary toxicity which can be quiet gentle and you can be like a good environment बना सकते हो आप काम का, तो उसमें इतना ज्यादा toxicity था.
Hmm.
So which I was not like I didn't like it, and there's no ethics, no, like I mean I don't, they don't even know what is ethics.
अच्छा डॉक्टर तानिया, तो बताइए एएमसी एग्जाम क्या है, कितने घंटे एग्जाम, कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं, और कौन कौन से टॉपिक से ज्यादा पढ़ाई करना चाहिए आपके अकॉर्डिंग?
Sir, for me, like, so basically there are 150 questions. And you basically have to, like, there are major some subjects, and I would like precise, I would be very precise about surgery, because surgery is like a very good subject, and the surgery there are no major guidelines, nothing at all. But surgery is a very major chunk of marks that carries. And surgery, as well as there is like ethics, it seems easy from the out, but when you really solve the questions, every option will be confusing. Even for me as well, there were pretty much like of questions when I gave an exam, and the all options, like every option was seeming right to me, but I just went with the whatever I felt right. But like there is one thing for sure, that there are some subjects in this AMC that you don't have to miss, that is surgery, and that is obs gynae. And obs gynae, I would always like, I never studied proper theory for obs gynae. I saw all the videos of the academically, and after that I did questions for that, and I like obs gynae, it was on my tips for that. Because of that like I would tell Swapnil ma'am, she was awesome. And there is this also I would tell is medicine is also like major, it covers. But medicine is like I what I noticed in the exams, like the recalls thing, that if they're giving neurology or ophthalmology in 1 month, the next month they won't repeat that. They'd give I mean, I that's what I think, I'm not sure, but they the next month they won't give that.
सो हाउ मतलब ये एग्जाम आपके अकॉर्डिंग बहुत टफ था या मीडियोकर एग्जाम आया आपके लिए? कैसे एग्जाम था, कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Sir, I would tell the exam is not that tough, but exam is very confusing. Very, I think even the top shot doctors can get confused in this. Very, like it's very confusing because all the options will seem right, all the options. So it's very confusing for me. When I gave the exam, like it was 150 minutes, and like I was like. Okay, when the exam got done, I was like, "What happened?" I was literally, I had this like, "What happened? What just happened?" When exam got finished, but like till today, till the result, and I was literally in like this. Okay, I hope I'll pass. I'll pass. And like I had this thing, I had somewhere that yeah, my exam went well, but I had this confusion also, because like it's very confusing exam. The questions are not tough, but it's very confusing. It's very confusing.
ओके डॉक्टर साहब, एट द एंड मुझे बताइए कि आप हाउ अबाउट दिस एएमसी एग्जाम और मे बी एकेडमिकली, एंड हाउ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद एकेडमिकली?
Sir, I saw when I gave FMG, I saw reels like circulating on the Instagram, like it was pretty popular. So I was seeing and I was saving that. Then I used to search about it. Then I saw numbers. Then I talked to the agents, 2 3 agents. Then my dad talked as well. So like then at some point of time, okay, fine, we are pretty much convinced. Okay, like yeah, we'll take, like this might make me like a good turn for me. So I did that, and yes, now I am like I am still not believing that I cleared AAC one. But yeah.
यस, ओके डॉक्टर साहब, इधर आपका ड्रीम क्या है इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में? यू वांट टू बिकम ए जीपी और यू वांट टू बिकम ए स्पेशलिस्ट, मतलब क्या करना चाहते हैं या अभी आगे छोड़ देते कि जैसा होगा देखा जाएगा या इन फ्यूचर में?
Sir, like I have this attitude जैसा होगा देखा जाएगा, but I not for GP. I want to be a specialist. That
मुझे
is for
लगा
sure.
अक्टूबर
बट
नवंबर में
माई
कुछ होगा।
एडवाइस टू यू, गो फॉर जीपी। वेरी रिलैक्स लाइफ रहता है, 9 to
मन तो
5
कहीं
का
लिखना
जॉब
ही नहीं
रहता
है।
है। आप बहुत इंजॉय करोगे। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मेन अच्छी बात क्या है, यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू योर सेल्फ। जो भी आपका हॉबीज है यू कैन परस्यू। इंडिया में वो टाइम नहीं रहता भाई। यहाँ तो
Yes.
सुबह से लेके रात तक जस्ट खाने खाने का टाइम मिल पाता है तो
Mhm.
ये चीज, ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया का और एनवायरमेंट इज बहुत ही अच्छा है, वेरी सेफ कंट्री भी है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम, आई होप के one day I will see you in Australia once
Definitely for sure. Now I can see. Yes.
yeah. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.